Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Ann, and welcome. And if you're not, welcome back. What we do here is a lot of makeup, beauty related videos. And today we're going to be doing a mystery box unboxing. This is the winter Jeffree Star mystery box. It is the deluxe right here. So it's deluxe. You're supposed to get 7 items in here. I did go ahead and cut the tape off. I have not looked inside of it. I did get it yesterday, but did not get time to look inside. I know what I want, but, you know, we don't know if I'm going to get it. I would like to have a mirror. I see a lot of people get mirrors. I've tried my best not to watch, like, any of the unboxings. I seen some, like, when I first ordered, people, like, guessing what might be in here. So, like, the major 2 things I would like to get is a mirror and the Conspiracy palette, because I really like that palette, and I did not order it when it came out. But that's about really what I would like to have. Maybe a sweatshirt or a hoodie or something like that. But the mirror is, like, one of the things I really, really want, in the Conspiracy palette. So, mine is pink. It is really pretty. Ooh. So I didn't get a hoodie. I can tell that from the get-go. So I got a shirt. So I didn't know how the sizing works. So I went ahead. I like my shirts baggy. So I went ahead and got an extra large. Because, I don't know, sometimes, you know, you got to size down. Sometimes you got to size up. But most cases, you got to size up a couple sizes. So I just went ahead and got an extra large. Then I was reading about it, and a lot of people said it was like men's sizes, unisex, but more went on the men's side, so I probably should have got a large. Yes, I can do you. I should have, because it's like huge. It's like gonna be way too big on me, but that's all right. So it's got the Jeffree Star logo. It's got a snowflake in the back. Then let me see. On the side, it's got like the cane strap. It is pretty. I do like it, but it is going to be big. But I do like t-shirts. I like baggy. I don't know about that, how I'm going to like that. Okay. Ooh, I like this. So I know this has got something to do with Shane Dawson. It's not the palette. That's what I wanted. I wanted a mirror, a hoodie, and a palette. That was it. And I would have been happy. So this, set includes it. Velour liquid lipstick. It's the Jeffree Star times Shane Dawson. So we got 6 lipsticks. Okay. This is Shane. Go ahead and swatch these. I love that color. And I really do like the lipsticks they make, so I know I'm going to love all these. Oh my God. It's like this really light pink. That'd be a good, like, center color. Jeffree, what the? It's like a bright pink. I will wear that. Probably not as often, but I will wear it some. I gotta go. Rollin. They actually smell good. They smell like root beer, I think. And Are You Filming? Love that red. So, loved all them. And that is so cute. I think I will keep that. Okay. So we got a Velvet Trap. We got Hot Commodity. I think, if I'm not mistaken, ain't that like a bright pink? And it does have like, I don't know if you guys can see the stars, yeah. It goes on really smooth. I like pinks. Sometimes, I think hot pink and stuff's not for me. I wear them sometimes with a gloss. Depends on what my eyes look like. Then, I think we got another lipstick. Shake well before using. This is Unicorn Blood. So I've hit it like really lucky with lipsticks. I got a lot of lipsticks. So I really like Unicorn Blood. Then I think this is a lip liner. Gemini. It's like, I love that. Now see, I'll probably use this a lot. Then, the gloss and Mouthful. I think this goes with the Orgy collection, if I'm not mistaken, because I was trying to think this. Now, I've never used his gloss. I've used the lipsticks. I've not used Velvet Trap yet. I've used the older versions, and I've used liquid lips. But I'm really excited about this. It's like right here. It feels really good. Let me... It ain't like gooey or anything. It feels good. It doesn't have really got much of a smell. Okay, so we're on our last item already. Then I'll tell you my thoughts. Okay, so last item is actually the Orgy Palette, is what it looks like. Yeah, it says Orgy Palette. I didn't order this palette when it came out. I decided to pass on it. I bought Blood Money. I bought Bloodlust. I've even got like the Morphe. Then I've got the mini Jawbreaker and stuff. But I passed on this one. Here is the front of it. But, I mean, he's got, like, really good shadows. I've got the Bloodlust on today. So, here is the inside. This is raised. And it's got a good mirror with it. I like how you can just fold that back. And here she is. So it is a nice palette. We'll swatch a few of the shades. I don't even think it's got any like shimmers in here. No, they're all like matte. Yeah, they're all matte. Which this like, if you do a lot of nudes and, you know, stuff like that, this is a really good palette. This would be good for if you're doing makeup on other people. This is Fluffer Blowout Gender Fuel. That was in like the second row. Let's get some darkers. All Night Long. And this is Body Chill. No, that's Body Chill. Booby Trap. Invitation Only. And here is the black. I always like to look at the blacks. Glory Hole. That's a good black. Money Shot is a pretty brown. This Orgy is like really, and I'm close. Let me see. Here's Orgy, and I'm close. I'll probably use this palette. I won't use it as much as I'll use my Bloodlust. I would have been happy with, well, the Conspiracy palette. I would have been happy with the big, the regular size Jawbreaker. Would have loved to got that. But I don't use a lot of browns. As you guys know, I use a lot of colors. But, you know, there is days that I need browns. So, this will work for days like that. I did get, like, a lot of lipsticks. I mean, like, a lot. I love the gloss. I'm glad to have it. I didn't even think about that when I was thinking about things to get. Like, what came in the pig lipsticks, that was enough lipsticks for me. It was like 6 lipsticks. So, really did not need, like, Velvet Trap. I could have done without it, unless it was, like, maybe another color, because I did get, like, this one and this one. So, you know, they're really too close. But I would have been happy with just the 6 lipsticks, and maybe if they had thrown something else in instead. I really wish I would have got a mirror. I just think I got overloaded on lipsticks, which I think they're lipsticks, if I'm not wrong. They're retailed for $18. I don't know how much the Jeffree times Shane is. But, I mean, I really do like the colors. I'll use them. You can use them on the eyes. You can use the lip liners on the eyes. So it's all safe to use. I just wish they would have, like, maybe not given so many lipsticks. Because I think with just getting the 6, that was enough for me. Plus the gloss, you know, that would have been enough. So, you know, getting, like, let me see. Like 8 lipsticks, a lip gloss is 9, then a lip liner. So there's like 10 items that are, I mean, the 6 counts as 1, but you know, that was really like too many lipsticks. I would have liked variety, because I know a lot of people like normally get like highlighters. I would have preferred, instead of getting all the lipsticks, to get a highlighter or a mirror. Really could have got a mirror. I've seen people get palettes in a mirror. I would have been happy with that. But I guess I didn't get the mirror because I got the big lipsticks. I would have been happy. I don't know. I really like the lipsticks. I like the 6 lipsticks are my favorite. I don't know. I really like this unicorn blood, and it'd probably look good with this look today. But I really do like the unicorn blood. I do have some. I've got a few of Jeffree's red lips. So, but I like it. I'm not going to, like, be disappointed. I knew I got my shirt too big. Next time I know not to get it that big, because that's, like, huge. It's like, swallow me whole, but that'll be alright. I think I got my lipstick already on it. That's alright, too. I hit it right up against my lip when I was stretching it out. But it is huge. But, I mean, I'm fine with it. I just wish I didn't get so many lipsticks. I know this time it took longer to sell out. They did have some. of the deluxes still in when last time I looked, which was yesterday. Let me see. So yeah, they still got some of them. I don't know why they didn't sell out. Normally they like sell out everything, but he did say that like for people who was like, he canceled some people who like he thought was like buying a lot of them to resell on eBay. So he canceled scammers out, which was really good because I think, you know, what they sell stuff for on eBay is ridiculous anyway. So I'm glad he did do that. So there was some deluxes left yesterday when I checked. But I guess that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. And I guess I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.